India and me at Saidpur village. Basically, we are still in Islamabad. So basically, before Islamabad came to existence, basically Islamabad is a planned city actually. So before there was a lot of villages, and once the Islamabad started construction, so slowly, those villages come into the proper organized Islamabad, but they keep this village as a model village to show like how was the Islamabad land was before the Islamabad constructed. So this is called Saidpur village. It's kind of a model village. They have a bunch of restaurants here. And this village is at the base of Margala. You can see how beautiful Margala and how it's close here. You see that? Wow, what a lush green view right
Lush
now.
green.
And it's very good. It's very good. So this is a kind of a model village. Its name is Saidpur, and people usually come here to take a look, like the history and the culture before the Islamabad city constructed by the government. So you can see against the base, and those are the local streets, right? Just kind of like they have a sanitation system here. There is some kind of what do you mean? Like it's kind of a mutton, lamb mutton basically, and they cook with a sauce of sparkling wine. There's a bunch of restaurants here. They put some monument there as well. There's the mosque behind me here. See that? So there's a mosque. Sure. Handicrafts actually. So this shows kind of a KPK. This is the province of the Pakistan. So this shows the handicraft for and culture for that provinces. See that? Wow. Shows like old days construction. Look at that as it is on the wood. Look at those kerosene oil torches, not torches, lights, lantern lights. And you see that art of handicraft here. Wow, look at that. This is the cattle. Wow, it's a typical cultural cattle usually used in restaurant for tea. Wow. Look at that. Those kind of cultural dresses. Very beautiful. Some of them is here. Those are the purses that basically actually bag type. Awesome. So this is a pretty much old, depreciated, small kind of, I'll say, building. And basically it says it's in Urdu, Batti Saidpur Gaon, like means Saidpur village. I think so. This is constructed by the villagers, folks, and this is the pretty much. It shows the history actually. Depreciated. You see how old this tree is. This is basically the fig tree. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. How big this tree is. a bunch of food like that. This village is very famous and actually it's international. It's got an international fame. A lot of visitors came here to take a look. What is the culture and how the village is actually this village and town. It's a very nice view. It's going to be a very short tour for us. We might going to come back here. We're going to show you some more very good points in Islamabad. So thank you very much for watching. Enjoy Star Food and share with your family and friends. See you for the next vlog. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.